Hi, my name is Manfred. I'm one of the last people, service people who do typewriters. I started in Berlin and at Germany in an apprenticeship program. I started working for Olympia. It was an international large typewriter company, and that's how I started. A lot of people, especially older people, people who don't want to use a computer, so want to use a typewriter, and they don't have anybody to go to fix it. So I'm one of the last guys who does it around here in this part of the province. And so I still get a fair amount of business. A lot of lawyers are using the machines yet in small businesses. It comes very handy for small stuff, like for envelopes, for typing out quick notes, for all kinds of little things, forms, sometimes complicated forms. So it's easy to put them in a typewriter and type it out very quickly without going into all kinds of programs. I mean, the older generation, I grew up with typewriters, and they're used to the sound, to the clicking sound, to the bell, to the carriage return, and the shifting going up and down, and the tabulation, and they can hear that sound. So what happens is that a lot of their children wanted to give them a computer to make it simpler for them. But it generates a problem because now he doesn't hear the clicking, he doesn't hear the sound, and he can't concentrate. But you see lots of older people calling me and telling me that the kids gave him a computer and a small word processor, and then they're hiding the typewriter in the closet, and when the kids are gone, they put the computer back and takes the old typewriter and type the letters.